In this tutorial, I will show you that how you can find nearby friends on Facebook in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. So there are two ways to find nearby friends on Facebook. So let's start with method 1. Open Facebook. You will be on this home page. If you open up your friends, it will show you this suggestions and your friends. Open suggestions and here it will show you your nearby friends on Facebook. So this was the first method. So to apply second method, what you can do is click back from home page. Click on this search bar that's showing on right top side and search for any name. I will search here. After searching it, you will find here this sum of options like all videos post. You can swipe it left and here you will get this places option. From places, it will also show you this filter option on right top side. If you click on that, it will open up this window of places. Here you will find location. Open it. Now here you can select your nearby location. So after selecting your nearby location, it will show you nearby friends on Facebook. So that's how you can find nearby friends on Facebook in just few easy steps.